All right, so write each equation in exponential form. Um, here's another way you'll see kind of the logarithms and exponents written out. You'll see log and then base b, and b makes sense because that's the base, of y equals x, where x is specifically the exponent that we're trying to solve for. And so up here, that would be a, y up here would be x. And so just rather than memorizing the letters, remember what each one's talking about. So base b, okay, well that part's hopefully straightforward enough. We know what a base of an exponent looks like. That's just our number that's being multiplied over and over and over. Now remember, logarithms are to solve for exponents, so x is our exponent on that base. And it's equal to y. And again, you kind of see the pieces moved around in the same way as they did on that last video, though maybe the letters are a little bit different. So don't worry about memorizing letters, memorize what's going on here. The base b, and we're solving for exponents, so in exponential form, it's base b to that exponent. And I think that'll help you out as we go through. So log base 5 of 25 is equal to 2, and we're supposed to change it to exponential form. So let's start with the log base 5. So start with a 5. Now, again, logs are to solve for those exponents. So what is the exponent? It's 2. Log base 5, 5 squared, base 5 to the second power is equal to 25. There's number 1. Next we got log base 5 again, so 5 to the, this time to the third power. And what is 5 to the third power? It's 125. 5 times 5 times 5. All right. Now we've got log base 2 of 1/8 equals negative 3. So our base 2 to the negative third power, that kind of means 1 over 2 to the third, and 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so 1/8. And there we go. That's the y value there, or if you're looking at the notes, the part above, that would be the x value. But here we are. Now all three of these are written into exponential form. We kind of just rearrange them into a way that was maybe a little bit easier to use. Now let's try going the other way. Let's change from exponential form into logarithmic form. So start with log. Let me get a little bit darker. Log. And what's the base here? Well, the base is 3. So log base 3 of what number? So what did it end up being equal to when we had the base to the exponent? It ended up being equal to 81. So log base 3 of 81, well, what was the exponent on that base 3? And it was 4. So log base 3 of 81 equals 4. Next we have 10 to the negative 2 power, so log base 10. But remember, if it's base 10, we actually don't write in the exponent. That's just kind of assumed. So log, the common log of, and now what's it all going to be equal to over here of? And it's 1/100th. So log 1/100th is equal to, what's the exponent? Because we're logarithm solved for exponent. What is the exponent? Negative 2. And last one, this time it's e that is our base. And remember, this is kind of a special case. That is the natural log. And so ln, and again, you don't need to write in the e because that's what natural log means. And what's this going to give us? It says roughly 20.09. So natural log, or log base e of 20.09. And that's roughly, actually let's go with the approximate. That's approximately 3. Our exponent there is 3. All right, hope that helped.